Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate UX testing with Maze, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start automating UX testing with Maze, the first step is to sign up for a Maze account. Visit the Maze website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details or use a Google account for a quicker setup. Once your account is created, log in to your Maze dashboard. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. You can choose to start with a website, mobile app, or prototype. Select the option that suits your needs best. Next, upload your designs or enter a URL for the project you want to test. If uploading designs, ensure they are neatly organized in a single zip file. After uploading, you will see your screens appear on the project dashboard. Now it's time to create a test. Click on the Create Test button in your project. Choose the type of test you want to perform, such as usability or prototype testing. Add your test tasks, which outline what you want users to accomplish. Be clear and concise in your task descriptions to get accurate feedback. Once your tasks are set, configure the testing settings. Decide on the number of participants, test duration, and audience specifications. Maze allows you to target specific demographics for more relevant insights. After configuring settings, you can invite participants. You can either share a link directly or use Maze's participant recruiting feature. Once participants start taking the test, you can monitor their progress in real time. After the test is completed, it's time to analyze the results. Maze provides analytics tools to help you understand user behavior and feedback. Pay attention to metrics like task completion rate and time on task. Use this data to identify pain points and areas for improvement in your UX. Finally, compile your findings into a report. You can share this report with your team or stakeholders for further discussions. With these steps, you can effectively automate and streamline your UX testing process using Maze. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.